Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless keyboards with the QUASIO Wireless Keyboard, a sleek and ergonomic option that promises to enhance your typing experience. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about connectivity. The QUASIO Wireless Keyboard operates on a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, providing a reliable and powerful link to your device without any delays. Whether you're using a Windows PC, Mac, or even a smart TV, this keyboard has you covered. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its ergonomic design. It comes with a comfortable palm rest and a folding holder, ensuring that your wrists remain supported and in a natural position, even during long typing sessions. Plus, with anti-slide pads on the bottom, you can type away with confidence, knowing that your keyboard will stay in place. But functionality is key, right? The QUASIO Wireless Keyboard boasts a full-sized layout with 104 keys, including a number pad. And with indicators for number lock, caps lock, and power, you'll always know the status of your keyboard at a glance. Now, let's talk about battery life. Thanks to its smart power-saving function, this keyboard conserves energy when not in use. After 30 minutes of inactivity, it automatically enters sleep mode to preserve battery, extending its lifespan and saving you the hassle of frequent replacements. So there you have it, folks. The QUASIO Wireless Keyboard combines ergonomic design, reliable connectivity, and smart features to deliver an exceptional typing experience. If you're in the market for a new keyboard, this one definitely deserves a closer look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy typing!